Hi, I am Anne, your virtual success advocate from ZAPTEST. ZAPTEST is a leading free and enterprise software test automation and RPA tool. To use the ZAPTEST free edition, check out our website, ZAPTEST.AI. Web application tests could also come with challenges that the team must account for, such as 1. Poor communication. It's vital that testers communicate with one another and other relevant departments, such as the development team. On top of this, the relevant staff must make sure the testers understand the requirements of each check and how the web application itself works. This helps them to formulate effective test cases for every individual function. 2. Inadequate record keeping. Without extensive documentation, which records every test alongside its expected and actual results, there could be confusion between departments. This can result in testers unnecessarily repeating checks or developers not understanding the root cause of a program's errors. Web application testers must include as much information as possible when compiling their testing reports. 3. Ineffective testing environment. Testing web applications on real devices is often more effective than using emulators, though the latter might be a better fit for the company's budget. Emulators could have errors that flag up issues with the application even if it would function perfectly well on a physical machine. Organizations must try to procure real devices. 4. Time constraints. The testing stage is arguably never complete due to the sheer breadth of potential checks the testing team can run on an application. Testers must negotiate a robust testing schedule that adequately covers every aspect of the program. This includes checking how well the application fares on mobile devices and all major browsers. 5. Balancing manual and automated testing. Like many forms of software testing, it's possible to automate web application tests and streamline the overall process for every tester. It's important to balance this with manual tests, especially as many aspects of strong web app design can be subjective. For example, automated tests offer limited help with the user interface. If by now you have any inquiries or are considering learning more about ZAPTEST, drop a message on the website at the red widget, and we would be pleased to help you along the way. Make sure to comment and share this video with your peers and colleagues. By seeing your interest, we'd be making more videos like this, making hard topics easily digestible. Thank you for watching. Make sure to read the article linked in the description.